Hello, my lovelies. Hello, hello, hello. So I'm sat here. You know what that means. Lego time. Lego, 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 Lego. Lego, 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 Lego. Lego time. Right, I'm keeping with the Lego City theme. Now this one is mine. This one is not going to no monkey. This one is mine. This was the last thing I bought at the LEGOLAND from the hotel shop. Now don't forget, I do have a competition running to see which Lego build I build live here on my Adele's Lego. Now you can either vote for Harley Davidson, VW car, VW van, or the Lego Friends equivalent in size. Yes. Put them in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for me as well. Now this is my Lego City. We're doing the ice cream van. Yes, we are. We're going to bring it down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Now, Mr. Producer was very, very pleased with how quickly I built the police cars. But I like my Lego City. It's very... I'm hoping for only 2 bags. 1, 2. There's only 2 bags. I love it. There's only 2 bags. Okay, so we've got the ice cream van. We've got some long pieces. Put that there a second. We've got a sheet full of things. So we've got 2 instruction books. So there's number 2. Put that over there. With bag number 2. I don't know what figures you get with this. You get somebody buying ice cream and somebody selling ice cream. Okay. You get a skater boy. She said, see you later, boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Right. Make sure my bag is empty. Put the big pieces over there. Looks like you build the people first. But both people. So it's not as if it's one person in each bag. All the little bits are out. I like showing you guys when I've got all the little bits out, because then I can prove to myself that I did take all the little bits out. Skater boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Right, there's a lot of little bits. Lot. Presuming they're the wheels. Right then. So he has blue pants. Is that his head? Yep, that's his head. Okay, why does he have... Oh, so you can either give him hair or you can give him a helmet. Now, I'm going to put him on the skateboard, so I'm going to give him a helmet. But he has an ice cream in his hand as well. He's already bought an ice cream. This is so fiddly already. So fiddly. Stop complaining. Could be worse, it could be technique. It's very true. See, I have to have a little talk with myself every now and again. I do. So there's the skater boy. He said, see you later, boy. We'll put him there. Right, let's build up her. Now she's got red legs. There we go. I like the fact that you could give him hair or a skater hat. It's pretty cool. Long hair. Ice cream lady. I like her hair. Look, it's my hair. It's my hair in Lego. And then there's a dog. Why is there a dog? I don't understand why we need a dog in this scenario. But there's a dog. And that's his spare hair. Right. Let's crack on. So we need a long piece first. And then some things for the wheels. Oh, there's going to be wheels again. I forgot. How bad is that? I forgot about there being wheels again. Doesn't bode well for this build, guys. It really doesn't bode well at all. Not at all does that bode well. Let's just build it and see how we get on, shall we? Yes, let's... Oh my god. I shock myself sometimes how I manage to survive the day. I really do. I really, really do. Right. So where does that go? Flip this over. That goes there. Okay. And we want long, nope, No, we don't want 4 small pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they fit along there. Like so. I'm going to flip it back over. Make sure everything's down tight. And put the other grey one on top. Sticker. I was looking to see if it was already on there, but no. I need a sticker, number 8. Of course, ice cream vans have license plates as well. The same as wheels. It's a good job I make myself chuckle, isn't it, really? It is. It's a very good job. He wasn't good enough for her. Little yellow. They call it mellow yellow. 2 see-through blue ones. They call me mellow yellow. So I saw when I was, where was I when I saw it? The Lego shop in London, that they actually sell a Lego shop made out of Lego. So I'm thinking that that might be my next purchase. I am. Because that looked cool. And I've never built a Lego shop out of Lego. I don't honestly know why I didn't buy it. I don't. Because it's like, why did I not buy it? I just don't grasp why I didn't buy it. I'm hopefully going to another Lego shop soon though. So I will get it from there. If they have it in, because I think different Lego shops have different ones. Only the best. Only the best ice cream. I think that's on both sides as well. Oh, that's the wrong one. Oh, nuts. There we go. That's better. I was doing so well. Can't believe how fast I built that police car last. That was so fast. I know it still took me over 20 minutes, but come on. I built 2 vehicles in that time. That's awesome. I wonder how long this is going to take me. I don't think I'm doing too bad. I don't think I'm doing too bad. Mr. Producer might not agree. But I don't think I'm doing too bad. I put them on the wrong side. I have got to go on the outside. Then the green ones go on the inside. It's easily fixed. Don't let it phase you. Little bits. 2 of each. Woo! I have got another one here, but I don't know if I'll need that other one. So we shall use this one for now. And then hopefully I won't need the other one. Because these tend to be the bits that they do give you extra of. But you never know. This time, they may not have gave me any extra. Because I've got to put a back wheel on it. A back license plate on as well. But that might hopefully be in the other bag. Fingers crossed on that one. Fingers crossed. Because look, that looks pretty cool. Right. Fingers crossed. I'm trying not to move my feet so then I don't move the piece in case I do need it. I'm trying. I'm very trying. I know I am. I know. I know. a flat one. One there. And one in there. Right. White one there. Single dot ones here. Oh, 4 of those. Nearly. Nearly missed a spot. What's next? 2 more then. 2 more. 1 and 2. Okay, now I get to put all my ice cream on. That's on. Didn't look like it was on. Cones in there. There we go. So you've got 4 flavours of ice cream and 2 cones. Window time. What's that say? Mind that child. One of the stickers actually says mind that child. Mind that child. Gotta make sure that's straight. Look, it actually says mind that child. Right, so put that there for 1 second. We're building. We're building on up. Nothing can stop me. Ooh. Ooh. That's not very straight. Two windows. Nope. Wrong way around. So that's the wrong way around then. That way. Now I'll put the sticker on. Okay. Funky piece that opens everything up. Didn't realise it opened up. Okay. Now I do. Now I know this. So which way round does the sticker go? So it goes on the inside. Okay. The menu. Menu. Long yellow one. Long it. Okay, so now this fits on there like so, and then it closes, and then opens up, and then closes. I love it. Right, it looks like we're putting the ice cream dispenser in now, to me, but I could be wrong, because I gotta put money there. And that's the cash register. Smallest cash register in the world. Done them bits. Have another one that way. Where does this long grey bit go? Why do we have another long grey bit? That's why I have a long grey bit, because that sits on top of there. Like so. Alright, book 1's done. We've done that so far. That's cool, because that opened. Yes. Right, so book 1 is done. So we've only got a bit of ice cream left and one of them. Put that there a minute. Book 2. Bag 2. Lots of little bits. Lots of little bits. And the book 2. We've already built the people, so we don't get to build the people. The beautiful people, the beautiful people. Okay, so that goes on this side. Supposedly. There we go. Ah, this is the serving station. Okay. Didn't spread everything out, so maybe I'll do that now. Okay, where's the grey one? There it is. Got it. And a window, please. I'm going to do the same again. Two of them. Flat one. And the menu. And where does that stick? Right down. That sticks there. Okay. Now along all of that, we have a long yellow one to keep it all in place. And then we've got another long yellow one here. Small corner yellow one. There. Oh, we've got another window. Where's the other window? There. And that one's a yellow one on top. It's taking shape though, isn't it? Where's that meant to go then? Oh, it goes in there. Oh, I can't wait to show you this bit. You ready? Open, closed, open, closed. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. Right, we're going to put the roof on now. Obviously, you can still open up this side and you can still slide your window across even with the roof on, which is good to know. I wonder if that's the same for all ice cream vans. I want to make 4 of these to put on. A long flat red one has number 2, which is this one. Oh, this is going to be fun. Look how long these are. That's not too bad. It's not too bad. Doesn't matter if I put it on upside down, as long as I don't put it on upside down on the bus. That's terrible, it's sticking out over the top. There we go. I think that one needs doing again. There we go. That's into them. Ah, then they sit on the front here. Like so. Come on. Move that out of the way a minute. What else we got here? I can't believe how long my nails are. Anyway. Right away. Right. Okay. Creepies. Sure. Oop, the little yellow one's gotta go somewhere. Down here. Very random. Blue. Green. Red. Two doors. I've seen them. I've seen them. There they are. Seen the other one. There it is. This is bigger than I thought. I did. It's cool though. I'm liking it. I like Lego City. As you know, I like Lego City. I think I buy more Lego City than any other Lego. Apart from Lego Friends now. But Lego City is probably the one I've bought the most of. By far. By far, by far, by far. Speedometer. Oh, oh! Did you hear my nail then? That sounded terrible. Oh, that was very bad. Oh. So instead of giving us front bumpers now, they give us it in 3 pieces to make instead. How is that going to work? It's going to just sit over like that so it doesn't go on properly. Okay, it's on. It's on like Donkey Kong. It's on like Donkey Kong. Yeah. Out. Let's take this one off. I have to do it again. Put it on the wrong way round. Come on, let it go. That way around. There we go. It looks like the picture. It doesn't look right, but it looks like the picture. Right, I'm doing the roof. Not the roof. Kind of the roof. I'm liking this. Yes, I am liking this. I'm so sad. Right, let's do the giant ice cream. Shall we? It's got to be on both sides. The face has. Oh. That is awesome. I love it. Right, we're doing the wheels. Ready? Oh. This one hurts actually. Yeah. Put the wheels on. Did I put that on the right way around? Nope. How do you get wheels back off? Never had to take wheels off before. Ah! Ice cream fell off. How'd you... Okay, that wheel's staying on like that then. I'm gonna have an odd wheel. How do you take wheels off? Oh, like that. There we go. We got right wheels. Put the ice cream back on. Right. Last sticker. Oh no, there's one more sticker to come. One more sticker yet. Not sure where this sticks though. I think everywhere's covered, isn't it? Oh, this is your front bumper. This is where the other sticker's going to go as well. Wow, where's all the lollipops going? I seem to have a lot of lollipops. Lolly, 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 lollipops. Bum, 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 bum. Last sticker. Last sticker. All that page of stickers, and I have used them all. Which means I've done it right. Because if I hadn't have used all the stickers, I wouldn't have done it right. Is that not true? That is the front bumper. I want to know where all the lollipops go. I did forget that it didn't have a front bumper, you know. Right, so it's saying, open up this side. Oh, they go in there. You know them... Oh, I'll show you in a second. That's where they go. Okay. They go in them. You know them little boxes that we put in? They go in there. You know something I think I've done. I've done it. I did it. And there's not that many pieces. There's none that I want to put on either. So that's good. Put them to one side. But look, shall we put her in? Can we get her in? Do you think we should have put her in before we put the roof on? Let me take the roof off to put her in. Yes, you can. Ooh. Oh, don't break now. Ice cream man. And the skater boy and a dog. So we better not put any ice cream on top of the dog. So there we go. My ice cream man. Only $17.99 from a Lego shop near you. Yes. So thank you for joining me. And don't forget to like it and subscribe. It is a new channel. So the more likes, the more subscribed, the better. Yes. Thank you for joining me. I love you all.